Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to unbox my first PaintGem mini set. Now, this is the museum edition. I actually have 4 of the sets, and they're always sending me emails that they're coming out with more, and I just haven't gotten around to doing these. And I thought, you know, my trip to Canada is coming up. I need something that is going to be fairly contained to take it with me if I want to diamond paint while I travel. People have told me these are really good for diamond painting on planes and cars, and I've got lots of time in planes and cars that I'm going to be spending on our trip, so I thought I would take one of these with me, but I need to get into it and see what else I need to take with me so I can see what I need. So this one is their, like I said, their museum edition one. I have 3 other ones. If I like these, I will get more. The other ones I have the doggy set, which I'm saving for DP for Pets. I have the rainbow set, which I'm saving for Pride. I have the ocean set, which I am just saving for whenever. So yeah, let's see what's in here. Okay, so here's the toolkit. Here are all the drills, and these are square. So I've got the Famous Art edition. And let's see, I actually love how this is packaged because I can just put everything back in this box, throw it in my carry-on or my luggage, and it's going to be way less trouble than traveling with a larger kit. So awesome. Okay, so tips and tricks, it says, multi-placers, sticker labels. So all the bags are labeled, but I probably will kit it up. I wonder if my little 28 slot container will fit in the box. I'll have to test that out. Framing, place the clear film back, etc. Oh, they give you a little label stickers. So that's very cool. Oh, these are actually quite a bit smaller than I thought. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself here. Let's look at the toolkit first. That's what we want to do, right? What comes in our little toolkit? So it comes in this nice little canvas bag. And what do we get? So we get a little drill tray. I probably would pack something bigger just for my purposes. We get a scrunchie and our diamond painting pen, along with a 3 and a 9 placer. I don't know if I would need a 9 placer for some of these. We'll look and see. And then you get some plastic tweezers and some heart wax. So pretty nice toolkit. It comes in this cute little canvas bag, so that's nice. Then, like I said, we've got all of these stickers here, so I don't know how many that is. I'll count them up and put it up on the screen. So there's 30 colors, and with all the symbols and the DMC codes, so that's awesome. So I will set that aside. And then I have, I don't know how many of these I get. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4. There's another 4, so 10 of these. Now, does it tell you? Oh, it tells you on the back. So we have the girl with the pearl earring. We have Starry Night by Van Gogh, of course. We have a composition one. Not sure how that's supposed to go. We have, of course, the Mona Lisa by Da Vinci. We have The Kiss by Klimt. We have The Dream. I'm going to assume just from the style of it, that's a Picasso. We've got another Van Gogh Sunflowers. We've got The Son of Man, the little quintessential guy with the apple in front of his face. We have the Scream by Edvard Munch. And we have the Great Wave off Kanagawa. Cool. These are super cool. So not very large. Let me see. Nice and sticky. How big are these? They all look to be the same size. So how big are they? They are 6 centimeters across. Yeah, that's pretty consistent. 6 centimeters across by 9 centimeters. Yep, 6 by 9. So what is that in inches? I wasn't paying attention. So 3.5 inches, roughly 2.5 by 3.5 inches, a little bit less than 2.5. You have all these little individual kits. And it's nice, you've got all those colors, but you only need to pull out the colors that you would need. So like for this one, I would only need 5 colors. The blue, the red, the white, the yellow, and then the black outline. And so if I wanted to just pull those bags, and small enough that they're definitely right, you could definitely diamond paint even on those dinky pull down airplane trays. So that's cool. All right, let's look at our drills and see what our drills look like. All right, let's look at all of our colors here. So we've got white, of course. We've got this kind of very light mint color. We've got kind of a cornflower blue, a light blue, a dark blue, actually 2 shades of dark blue. And then we have a very dark blue, like a royal blue. We have a peach, kind of a light tan, a tan, a light brown, a brown, a dark brown, a black, a dark green, a light green, and then we've got 2, like a pale yellow and a slightly darker yellow. And then what do we have? We've got like a sage green, another pale yellow, a bright yellow, an orange, and then a slightly darker orange, and then we've got a bright red, we've got a gray, a very dark gray, a couple more greens, so like a sage green and then just a true green, and then our last colors are 2 different shades of very dark green. Gosh, you can't even hardly tell those apart. This one's slightly darker. Lots of colors, like I said, 30 colors. I'm actually pretty surprised that it comes with stickers. Nicely surprised, but surprised. And I can't wait to see, I wonder if I can film myself diamond painting on the plane. Maybe I'll make my husband take some video of me diamond painting on the plane just to prove that it can be done. I've never actually seen anyone do it. There's probably video out there, but just for my purposes, so I have it, yeah, maybe I'll do that. And I can show you guys as I'm working through. The big question for me is going to be, which one do I want to start on first? Do I want to start on something like this geometric one, this abstract one? Do I want to start with one of the more classic ones like the Scream or the Mona Lisa? I like the greens in the Mona Lisa. I'm liking that. Maybe that's what I'll do. Or maybe I'll pick one that I wouldn't normally pick and do that one first and save some of these other ones as like ooh, you got everything else done. Now I will say these canvases are kind of stiff. That's okay with me because they're going to get, you know, framed. I wonder if you could buy like a collage frame and put them all in a big collage. I'll have to go do some hunting off Amazon and see. But yeah, now that I've actually opened these, I'm really excited to open some of the other kits that I have as well. And yeah, I'm gonna grab one of my 28 containers and see if it will fit in my box. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. So it's only 28 and I have 30 colors, but I could leave 2 of them in bags until I was done. Or alternatively, I could just leave them in the bags and work from them. For me and my clumsiness, though, I probably need to put them in here, but it will definitely fit in here, and I'm pretty sure I've got enough room, especially if I don't include everything that's in the toolkit. Yes. Super excited about these now. Can't wait to try these out. Like I said, I'm going to start with this museum set, but I've got 3 other ones, and I'm super excited to open those now. I will put a link in the description box down below so that you can check out all of the wonderful PaintGem minis. They have a ton of different ones. They're coming out with new ones all the time. They're nice, quick, easy projects, and I can't wait to see what else awaits me in the other ones. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.